Here are 4 ways to use the green screen. The first way is writing on a green paper. Step 1. Film yourself writing on a green paper. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in the description. Import your videos into the InShot app. Tap PIP. Import the green paper writing video. Tap Autofill. Adjust the video so that the green paper fills the frame. Tap Cutout. Then tap Chroma. Adjust the strength to remove the green. Here's the final results. The second way is green screen in a notebook. Step 1. Paste green paper onto a notebook. Step 2. Film yourself opening the notebook. Import your video into the InShot app. Tap PIP. Import the video of the notebook. Tap Autofill. Go to the frame with the green paper and tap Cutout. Then tap Chroma. Adjust the strength to remove the green. And here's the final results. The third way is a green screen outfit transition. For clip 1, film yourself moving the green paper around your body. For clip 2, film yourself in another outfit in the same position. Import the video without the green paper. Tap PIP. Import the video with the green paper. Tap Autofill. Tap Cutout. Then tap Chroma. Adjust the strength accordingly. And here's the final results. The fourth way is the green screen phone transition. For clip 1, film a video of yourself with a green phone screen. For clip 2, find an old travel memory or create a new one. Import the travel memory video. Tap PIP. Import the green screen video. Tap Autofill. Go to a frame with the green screen and tap Cutout. Tap Chroma. Adjust the strength accordingly. And here's the final results. Which one's your favorite green screen tutorial? Let us know in the comment section below.